An initial assessment of the appropriate activity mode is possible based on the user's medical history and safety needs. The first steps of the user should be evaluated in a safe environment, such as between parallel bars. In activity mode C, the user achieves even more natural walking. In contrast to the other activity modes, stance phase is not locked but instead exhibits a high level of resistance. This supports the user on uneven surfaces, slopes and stairs. Stance phase is released earlier and this promotes more dynamic movements. Mode C is appropriate for users who have moderate prosthetic control with their residual limb, who can handle a variety of everyday situations, and who walk short to medium distances outdoors. In addition to basic functions such as supported sitting down, standing up, and the wheelchair function, also the intuitive stance function is available in Mode C. This function allows comfortable standing on level surfaces and on slight declines.